In the learning phase, students operate a simple practice pub in a mid-sized hotel. Students learn to manage and plan their menus, including consulting market data to determine the most popular dishes to serve for guests. But beyond designing a menu, students learn one of the key principles of running a profitable restaurant: pricing. This sim introduces students to the ideas behind pricing menu items to balance customer demand and generating consistent profits. In the challenge phase, the Emerald Hotel has just opened the Blarney Pub and students are in charge of the menu. Students will study market data as well as social media feedback to build a popular menu for their restaurant. And they will price their menu items to ensure both profits and steady sales. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers the role of food and beverage in hotels, types of food and beverage outlets, a changing paradigm, F&B marketing, F&B economics, F&B profits, it's in the margins, and F&B operations. Food and beverage management is a key skill for hospitality executives. This sim is a great introduction to students to begin learning the business behind successful hotel restaurants, finding the right menu items and pricing them for sales and profits.